2026 is start. So that's why take a one action and start this. Do this activity. Go outside and start to explore yourself every single day. Because stop distracting all a particular situation, particular thing, and let's jump on your target. Okay, that is your work. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with you the one particular activity that can change your English, that can help to improve English. So you are watching this video very first time, so don't forget like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't waste ample of the time. So let's get on today's topic. Okay, so today's topic is, I already share before this video the one particular activity, that means this activity you can try to improve your English. Okay, because I already try this activity, and currently I'm trying this activity, so that's why I think about, okay, let's start to record myself and let's express myself with other people. Okay, so this activity is, you are very hesitant to speak English, you are very you are feeling very scared to speak English in front of yourself, or in front of mobile, or people. Okay, you are feeling very hesitant. So when you are speaking English with the people, you are feeling very stuck, right? So the solution I'm going to share with you in video. Okay, start this activity now, because this activity is literally important, I think. Because the activity is, you just start to meet with other person, that means your friend. Okay, like your friend, for example, you meet your friend and just ask your friend, just tell me your name, tell me where are you, and what are you doing, and where are you from, and what if you want to success or whatever, just like different type of questions, so many you ask your friend, with your friend. And just a small activity. Okay, just a small activity, just start with your friend. Okay, firstly just start it with your friend, and then he start to speak with you, and just like your pronunciation as well your communication is start. That's it. That is a small activity, just a start. Just meet one person and just speak with her. Okay, so this small activity, and then again one particular day just start to, and the second day again start with meet with other person or other friend, whatever, just to start to do this activity like 7 day, or just one 1 week, or whatever. You just start, just take action and just start. Initially you just feel, okay, I can't able to speak English, but you just start, and this all about your feeling is literally stop. Okay, so start this activity. I think this activity is little helpful, because I already tried this activity and I like this, so that's why I want to share with you. Okay, so this activity. And second is, some people, they are say, I understand English but I can't speak English. I understand English. Just one particular solution in this question, like this. Just start to watch one movie or one uh, story in your mother tongue, like your mother tongue is Telugu, Tamil, or Marathi, Urdu, whatever, something, just your background or your mother tongue, right? So you must watch this video or this story or this movie. And when you are watching this story or movie, so this video is left side or right side, or your videos downward. This time subtitles is show. Okay, so you must watch these subtitles. Don't focus on this movie, this story or cartoon, whatever when you see, but this start to watch this subtitle. Okay, because of that is help to understand English. Okay, as well speak English, because they are the one particular way to improve English. Okay, just start and just leave outside, just leave to come out your comfort zone, and just start to take action, because these are 2026, right? 2026 is start, so that's why don't waste time, let's jump, let's start. Okay, so let's come on our topic. So okay, this activity is literally right for me, so that's why you can try this activity. So this activities also can help to improve your English as well. This practice, watch this subtitle, and whatever. Okay, so that's mean take action and just come out on your comfort zone, take action, and let's start to work on it. Okay, so if you like this video, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.